In this video, I'm going to share with you the best affiliate marketing opportunity of the year. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I am super excited to share this opportunity with you because if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you want to make money online. And I'm really assuming that you're interested in making money online with affiliate marketing. And if that's you, you are watching the right video. Now, a few months ago, I got involved with the company called Nexus Rewards. Now, if you've never heard of Nexus Rewards, it is a cashback and savings portal that gives its members access to exclusive deals and discounts from major retailers and service companies. Now, to become a premium member of Nexus Rewards, it will only cost you $21.95 a month. That's it. Now, once you become a premium member, it allows you to be able to do two things. One, you'll be able to have access to all of the discount apps and service programs involved with Nexus Rewards. And keep in mind, things are always added to the platform. And two, you will be able to start building a monthly recurring income just by referring people to Nexus Rewards. See, for every person that you refer to Nexus Rewards and they decide to do what you do and become a premium member, you're going to get $10 a month. Now, you might be thinking, $10 a month? What? How is that the best affiliate opportunity? $10, that's it? Yeah, but you got to think about this. $10 a month promoting something this easy. You have to ask yourself, can I promote this? Is this something that I can put out in front of a lot of people and that people actually would be excited about, right? Ask yourself this. Who do you know that does not want to save money when they shop? Who, right? Then you got to ask yourself, who do you know who doesn't want to earn some more money? Who doesn't want to bring in more money every month? I mean, damn, you watching this video, you want to actually save every time you shop on or offline. You want to start making more money, correct? So look at it like if you set a goal to yourself and you said, okay, look, in the next few months, I want to be able to bring in 100 people into Nexus, all right? 100 people, which it shouldn't be that difficult to do if you really push this program. So at 100 people, $10 a person, that's $1,000 will be coming into you every month like clockwork, because the great thing about this opportunity is once you get people to join and become a premium member for only $22 a month, why would that person ever quit? Think about that. Think about it. Why would that person, if they're getting access to all of these discounts and they're getting cash back, why would they ever drop off? So you can always just keep adding to that number. You get your first 100 members. First, damn that. Start with your first 5 members, right? Get your first 5 members. Then say, all right, I'm going to get 10. Then go to 50, then 100, blah, 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 blah. Because the money is just going to keep stacking up, adding up. I mean, the sky is the limit with this opportunity. Now, another reason why I say this is the best affiliate marketing opportunity of the year is because not only are you going to get your $10 for every person that you bring in Nexus Rewards, you're going to actually earn back in money from each of those people when they use the apps inside of Nexus Rewards. There are several different apps inside of the program where when people sign up and they actually use them and get, discounts and this and that, you're going to get money for that as well, on top of the $10 that you're getting on a monthly income, on top of the $10 monthly commission that you're going to get just from them being a member. So now, off of 100 people, you getting that $1,000 a month. That $1,000 could easily be $1,500, $1,800. So going back to that 100 people making you $1,000, that's actually going to be more money because remember, you're going to get paid for each of them people using the apps inside of Nexus. Now, just as an extra little bonus, Nexus Rewards does have a network marketing element to it. And to me, that's cool and all, but I'm not even counting on that. I'm just really focusing on the $10 commissions because I know that money will add up. But Nexus Rewards does have that network marketing element to it, where yes, you will earn money for each of the people that your referrals bring in, all the way 10 levels deep. You're going to earn money from each of those people, and that money really can add up. And like your $1,000 a month from 100 people could just be ridiculous. I mean, it just goes crazy. If those 100 members start referring people and they refer people, you get the whole point. But damn all that. All right, focus on just promoting Nexus Rewards. Go for that $10 monthly commissions, because it's super easy to do, because this opportunity is only $22 a month. That's it. And don't forget, while you're promoting Nexus Rewards and you're getting these commissions, you should be in Nexus Rewards actually taking advantage of all of the discount offers that they have available to us as members. All right, so you actually should be earning enough money just by using the apps to actually cover your $22 a month premium membership fee. So basically, this opportunity is a win-win opportunity for everybody that's involved. So I'm sure by now you are excited to get started with Nexus Rewards and start building that monthly income. All you got to do is click the first link in the description of this video. Now, I'm sure you're excited about getting started with Nexus Rewards. So all you got to do is click the first link in the description of this video and get started. So once I seen that you signed up and became a premium member, I will personally reach out to you and help you get everything set up so you can start building that monthly income. So click the link in the description and I will see you on the team.